Alessandro Vespignani, Sales Area Manager for Southeast Asia of Superfici Company, part of ICM Group. I'm based in Malaysia. I work for Superfici since 2015, in China for 2 years, and then in the last 2 years in Southeast Asia. I have more than 13 years of experience in finishing business. We try to let understand more our customer, your customer. Also, Utama Mandiri is our partner, exclusive partner in Indonesia. We have very good cooperation. But from the other end, we try to give some introduction about the finishing, automatic finishing business to the customer, because I see here in Indonesia there is still not very much education and understanding about the advantage of the automatic finishing line. So the purpose of this fantastic open house, I have to say, these 3 days we have got a lot of customers. We have got the demonstration with the roller line and the spring line. I think it's been very interesting and very helpful also for our customer.
Untuk in-house ini sih menurut saya bagus sekali, jauh di luar ekspektasi karena mendapatkan banyak jawaban dari presentasinya.
Sangat informatif, ya, kami juga bisa dapat banyak informasi untuk teknologi terbaru.
Alfa cukup lama dan cukup terkenal ya. Kalau Alfa Utama ini, kalau untuk mesin ya salah satu rekomen ya PT Alfa ini.
Ya, PT Alfa teknologi yes.
Alpha goes to online.